Are you struggling to develop your gift and get the results you desire? In this video, I will give you 3 tips on how to develop your gift the right way. Coming up. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Lon Jordan, and I am a speaker and author of Sketched by Design. And I give tips to help people discover their unique design so they can be successful in the 21st century marketplace. So how do you develop your gift? Well, first, you must learn to develop a thick skin. One of the hardest things about developing your gift is realizing that no matter what you do, you will always be criticized. You put all this work into recording an album, only to find out that many people thought your vocals were trash. You put all this work into writing a book, only to find out that many people that purchased it gave you a bad review. You put all this work into starting a YouTube channel, only to find out that many of the comments on your videos are negative. The truth is, no matter how much work you put into developing your gift, there will always be someone who will criticize you and your gift. This is why it is so important to develop a thick skin. Now, when I say thick skin, I'm talking about the ability to not let the criticism from others stop you from moving forward with your dreams. The truth is, until a person is willing to face criticism, they will never master their gift or fulfill the vision they see for themselves. If you feel like you're getting value and would like more videos on how to develop your gift, make sure to click the subscribe button and click the bell to get notified when a new video comes out. What tip do you have for someone who's struggling to develop their gift? Let me know in the comment section below. Second tip, you must be careful of the dark side. I know you're probably thinking about Star Wars when I say that, but the truth is, it's easy when things are not going your way to abuse your gift. You feel that you're not getting the opportunities you deserve, so you use your gift of persuasion to manipulate people until you get what you want. You feel that the people in positions of power aren't allowing you to use your gifts, so you do everything that you can to make that leader look bad. The truth is, it's easy to abuse your gift when you feel you were not succeeding quick enough, or you are confronted with your past pain, trauma, or rejection. And I want to encourage you, if you're tempted to abuse your gifts and throw your ethics and morals out the window, don't do it. Don't throw away your future because some people can't see the value that's inside of you. You have a purpose that you were meant to fulfill with your life, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Third tip, you must be patient with the process. The reality is, it takes time to gain respect. It takes time to make money with your gift. It takes time for people to take you seriously. And the truth is, it takes sacrifice to master your gift. And few people are willing to do what it takes to become valuable. This is why it is so important to count the cost before you build. And realize that part of the cost is being patient and sacrificing immediate gratification for long-term fulfillment. If we are unwilling to be patient with the process, we will never experience the fulfillment that our gift has to offer. Question of the day: what challenges have you had developing your gift? Let me know in the comment section below. To learn more about how to develop your gift, make sure to watch my video up here. As well as make sure to click the subscribe button and click the like button to help this video out. And also make sure to share with a friend. See you in the next video.